Good evening everybody, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be talking on graphical method of solving quadratic equations. Remember, we are still in quadratic equations, so graphical method of solving a quadratic equation. And I want you to know this about graphical method. And it's pretty easy, it's simple. The reason why I say it's simple is whenever you're being given any quadratic equation to solve using graphical method, let's say for example, let's say y is equal to okay, s square 4x square plus 4x square plus 3y plus 3x plus 15 is equal to 0. When you are being given anything like this and you are not given a restriction, you can choose your own. For example, you first of all make a table. You first of all do what? Make a table on your own. The table will have some things like some features, some beautiful features like this. Your first one is going to be what? X. Next one is going to be your constant. The next one is going to be your what? 3x. Okay, let's say your x. Now next one is going to be your x square. Next one is going to be your what? 4x square. Next one is going to be your what? 3x. Now next one is going to be your constant, your 15. So now, and the last one is going to be your y. So after that, now you choose your what? You choose your range. You choose the range of your x very well. For example, you started from -3, say -3, -2, -1. Actually, I like starting. I like stopping where I started. -1, 0, 1, 2. Let's call this one 3. And clean this. So now, since I've gotten my x square is going to be, just to square all this, I have 9, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4, 9. You see that? Next one is going to 4x square, 36, 16, 4, 0, 4, 16, 36. So now, this is 3x. This is -9, -6, -3, 0, 3, then 6, what? 9. Now this is what? 15, all through 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15. Now at last you add all of this. So this one and this one is off. Now this plus this is going to give me 41, 51. 51, this plus this is going to give me 30. Okay. So now I have -6 here. Then here is 4. I have 2. -2 left. 14, 29. Here I have -3. This is 1 plus 1, 2, 17. Here is what? 15 plus 0, 15. Here is what? 15, 18, 19, 23. Here is what? 15, 21, 25. Then 25, 29. Here is going to give us what? 15 plus 9, 24 plus 9 again, 24 plus 9, 31 plus 36 is going to give us 67. So after this, you plot your graph, and the graph is going to look, is going to be very long. And after it's going to go like this. That is graph of what? Quadratic equation. I just want to give us a brief explanation on how graphical method of quadratic equation looks like. And in this video again, I'm going to be talking about something like this. We have different graphs of quadratic equation. The first graph looks like this. It looks like this. The second graph looks like this. The third graph looks like this. The fourth graph looks like this. Now, this one, in this graph here, it has a real root, and the discriminant, okay, it has a real and distinct root. The discriminant is greater than what, and the roots are greater than what? 0. Here, it has a real and distinct root, and the roots are what? Less than 0. Here, it doesn't have a real root. It doesn't have any real roots. Here, it doesn't also have any real roots. But here, less than 0, here, greater than 0. But there's another graph again. Let me put it here using red. That the graph goes like this. What does that mean? I'll give it to you as an assignment. So here is where I stop, and in my next video I'll be uploading many examples on graphical method of solving quadratic equation. Thank you. Do have a nice day. I remain Timothy.